I already know off rip they're gonna smell good. I already know that. I already know. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Passion, and I wanted to show you guys more of the candles that I have in my collection. These are candles that you need to have in your collection as well, because these candles smell absolutely amazing. These are candles that you need to buy, okay? So the first candle that I wanted to show you guys today is the blue Cedar Fig candle. It is from Chesapeake Bay. You guys, this candle smells absolutely amazing. This is a candle that you definitely need. It's a different fragrance than what I'm typically used to. I typically would not buy these kind of scents, but I smelled this in Target, y'all, and I loved it, and I had to have it. It smells really, really good. It smells very much so like oak and woods and cedar. I think this is a really good scent, you guys, to burn in your home. It smells really, really good. Remember to always smell the lid of the candle if you want to get an accurate idea of what the candle will smell like when you're burning it. The next candle that I want to show you guys today is the Elderflower and Bay Leaf from Olivia Blake. Y'all, this candle smells so expensive. It smells very upscale and elegant. I really like it. It's a very feminine scent. It's a very light scent. I think this would be a good candle to burn maybe in the bathroom or burn in your bedroom. I don't think that this candle has a strong enough throw to fragrance an entire living space or living area, but I do think that it'll be really good in a bathroom or in a bedroom. I really like it. It's a really classy feminine scent. Not to mention the jar looks, in my opinion, the jar just looks so expensive. Really cute decorative piece. The next candle I think you guys should check out is the Mahogany Coconut Candle from White Barn. And here are the notes. So this candle, in my first video, I mentioned the Mahogany Teakwood candle from White Barn, and I said that you guys needed to get that scent. This definitely is an extension of the Mahogany Teakwood. The Mahogany Teakwood scent from White Barn is a very masculine scent. This is a masculine yet sweet scent. So it smells very similar to the Mahogany Teakwood, but it does have that coconut in it. Because it does have those coconut notes, it makes it smell a little bit sweet and a little bit more feminine than the Mahogany Teakwood. I definitely think that you guys need to pick this one up. It's new, I haven't burned it yet. I can't wait to burn this candle, you guys. It smells so good. The next candle that I wanted to show you guys is the Warm Luxe Cashmere from Yankee Candle. As you can see, I have used this candle. I have burnt this candle. This is one of my favorite candles. This candle, you guys, smells absolutely amazing. This candle also has a very, very light throw. It is not a strong throw. I do not think that it is strong enough to fragrance an entire living room, an entire living space, but I do think that it is a really good fragrance to burn in a bathroom, to burn in a bedroom, in a smaller area. It smells so warm. It smells very cozy. This candle, I burn it in my living room because my living room is very, very small, y'all. I have a very small apartment, so I'm able to burn this in my living room, and I can get a lot of the scent payoff in my small area. It just smells very luxe. You know, it is Warm Luxe Cashmere, and it does smell very luxe. This is a very sophisticated, elegant scent. It's sweet, but it's warm at the same time, and it does have some masculine notes in it as well. You guys, I think that this is a candle you need to have in your collection. It smells very mature, and it just smells, it reminds me of home. You know, when I burn this, I'm burning this on a night where I'm wrapped up in a blanket and I'm watching a movie and I have a glass of wine and I have this burning in the background. It just smells so relaxing and so comforting. And the last candle that I want to talk to you guys about today is the Lab Times Huga candle. And this candle is called Shelter. And here are the notes. It is coconut and oud. This candle smells so warm, so sweet, so comforting, so relaxing. This candle smells very, very expensive. And again, it's from Lab and Huga. I think that's how you pronounce it. It smells so good. It just smells like coconut. It smells very woodsy, and that's where the oud comes in. It has a very woodsy, cedar, oaky smell, but at the same time it smells so warm and so sweet from the coconut. If you guys find any candles that have oud as a note, pick it up. It's guaranteed to be a banger. Oud smells so good, you guys. I love candles that have oud as a note. I already know off rip they're gonna smell good. I already know that. I already know. So those are the candles that I wanted to show you all today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Comment down below and let me know what candles I should pick up. Let me know what your favorite scents are. Let me know where you like to get candles from. Also, make some recommendations for more luxury candles. Like, I want to buy some Jo Malone candles. I want to get a Tom Ford candle. I've been looking at some Hermes and Louis Vuitton candles, some Gucci candles. Comment down below and let me know if you have any of those candles and which ones you would recommend. Please let me know how they smell. Do you think they're worth the money? Let's talk. Let's chat below, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.